Okay, I will. Well, why don't you tell everybody what it is today?
Oh, okay. Today is January the 20th, 1983. Today is my birthday.
How old are you?
I'm 7 now.
Yeah, you're 7? And it's early in the morning.
Yeah, and I'm going to be going to school later.
And what did your mom make for school today?
Some cookies.
Right. And what are we taking these pictures for? Let's get to the point.
So everybody can see what my present is.
Right, that present right there, you little pack.
This one here, the Pac-Man one. There. This one here. Take a roll here. Never mind. The envelope.
Open the present up first. Okay? Quickly. You're going to bore people. They're not going to want to watch this beautiful film. You know what it is yet?
No.
You know what it is yet?
Yeah, a record player.
Yeah? What do you think?
Nice.
Do you use one of those?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
That's just how it looks, you know.
Yeah, with those speakers.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And during all this blooming excitement, which you can't take anymore, your sister is sitting and eating breakfast.
Can you pick it up?
I'm going to bring the soda, don't
It's stuck in the gate.
Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Say hello. Oh, Ryan.
Now it's time to open the cards.
I think he's more excited about the card than the present.
Right.
Are you happy? Let's see some enthusiasm here.
Mama.
You happy?
Mama.
Tell everybody how you eat it, Ashley.
Come on, Ash.
Yeah.